Good morning everyone. So today I'm in Malacca. This is called, beside me here is Jalan Tengkera. I'm in Tengkera. I want to try this Mee Bodo Hassan. Mee Hassan Tengkera. Okay, there's they serve something called the Mee Bodo, and it's very famous. I'm right in front of the store, and I can see there's so many people. Let me just show you what I mean. So this is the main road, and this is the parking here. Okay, this parking, right? This house here, they've been very kind enough to allow you to park bayaran seikhlas hati, meaning pay as what you think is worth. Alright, so at least please just give them some money lah, pay for the parking when you are here. So as you go, this Jalan Tengkera is a very long road. Okay, so that is Mee Hassan. Okay, Mee Hassan Tengkera, that's where we are going. And even here also got so many things here. Okay, so be careful when you're crossing the road lah. So I'm going to cross the road now and go to the place. So the main road even got a basket here, and this is the store. Opens at 7:30. Let me just get a seat, see whether I can get a seat. Wow. There you go. Okay, I didn't know they actually do sell their sambal here. You just want to buy the sambal. So there's a fried egg here. You can just take and then add your own. This fried egg, add your own cucumber. How much you want? This one base. And this is their signature sambal. So this is a must-have with the fried noodles. That's the mee. So this is the mee goreng. Just sit down, they will serve you too. And also the drink. Okay, that's it. So the drinks they'll serve you and the mee goreng will serve you. This one you can just take yourself lah, as much as you want. Don't waste, yeah. Okay, this is something unique. This black sauce. Okay? And this is a vinegar. I have not seen this brand before. Never seen this brand before. So let's dig in and try. This is noodles. So let's try the noodles. You can let me just try without the sambal, because what I read, right, the sambal is actually good. Let me try the sambal together. You add in the egg and the cucumber, perfect. One more thing, I think what you can do is to add in, right? I'm not really a fan of vinegar, but black sauce I don't mind. So don't put too much. So I just put a little bit. Let's try how it goes with the noodles and also the sambal. Perfect. Now the egg, right? What you can do when you eat this kind of noodles is that the egg yolk, right? Add together with the noodles and the sambal. Sambal not really spicy lah. It's a very simple breakfast. Noodles and egg. You want egg, white egg. That's it. Behind me is already the main road. You can see. So if you are around the corner, they open very early at 7:30. They open. you can come to Mee Goreng Hassan Tengkera, try their famous Mee Bodo. Okay? It's simple dish. The sambal is not spicy, but it's also not sweet. It's perfect. Okay? It's not really spicy to you. And noodles is fried nicely together with egg. Egg together. Perfect breakfast. Okay, so that's it for the video. It's Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.